All right, so I have heard that there is a pita factory right here in Cleveland, and it's located at Aladdin's Bakery and Market. Let's go find out what's going on inside. All right, I'm here at Aladdin's Marketplace. John!
Yeah, welcome to Aladdin's Baking Company.
Thank you for having me.
Great to have you.
I'm excited to be here. And you know, this is a gem. And I know a little bit, but I don't know enough. And that's why I'm here. So I'm very grateful that you've opened up this opportunity to maybe show me a little bit, give me a little bit of the history, a little bit of the background, and a little bit of the understanding about the pita bread here.
It's very authentic. It's semi-automatic. We make everything here halfway automated so we can give it the hand touch. Everything is made here daily and fresh product. Even our retail stuff here, it's all made fresh every day.
Sweets! But more importantly, I want to eat some pitas. Can we go eat some pitas?
You sure can. We'll show you how it's made. You'll see the whole process. This is our packaging area.
Hello. Hello. Look at all this, guys. All right, so, senor, where are we right now?
This is stage one of the whole process.
Stage one.
That's where all the raw material, the ingredients get mixed and measured for every mix per customer order.
Wow. This is the pre-party right here. This is where the pita party begins. Right here.
Everything, you have raw material, ingredients, you measure them per mix, per recipe.
Wow.
And then they go into the mixer where...
And then that's the mixer right there, huh?
Correct. Where you add flour, water, and raw material.
I'm involved, I'm working. All right, so I see the way that they're all coming out here precise. What exactly is this? How's it going down here?
This is a divider rounder. You know, the dough after it comes down from the hopper, it gets chunked at a different size. This machine is set at a certain weight and certain size, so you can get your desired product. Whatever is coming, like the 3 next mixes, that's all the same product. That's why you see it at the same size dough ball and the same weight.
Wow.
And from here, it goes into an intermediate proofer.
Oh, he spotted one that was different, huh? Every
Correct.
now and then?
Yeah, if it's not to weight, we have to weigh them.
Okay.
So we can meet and, you know, stay within the specs.
And that's where you got the perfect eye. You got that human being that's got that eye right there to make sure. All right, Senor John, it looks like we're rounding third base here, right?
Correct.
We're in this last section now, huh?
Exactly. We're in the packaging area where the temperature is much lower and giving enough time for the product to cool off before you bag it. And then, you know, it gets bagged, sealed, it goes through a metal detector. After that, it gets distributed per customer. Some of the product gets packaged and boxed.
Right.
And then it gets palletized.
And this is where you can find it at the lovely little mini mart in the front, and you can buy your pita bread, freshly baked right here.
Correct.
In the back house to the front house. John, that was a long, intense, really breathtaking tour. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed it.
I did.
And now you see how we make our product. Please, before you leave, I need you to stop at the counter.
Over there at the counter?
Yes.
They got something over there for me. I don't know what it is, but I hope it's a pita. Is that for me?
That's absolutely for you.
And these are freshly made today. I watched these get made. Man, this is my man. Can I get a hug?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you.
We're all family here.
Family at Aladdin's, guys. Check it out. They have the best pitas, freshly made daily, and food, and cheese, and hummus, and what else?
And love.
Love. Okay, I have had a wonderful time at Aladdin's, and now I have done my duty. Myra, I got your hummus, and I'm on my way.